Okay. My name is Joseph Oluwadare Pius, a third-year student of political science, Federal University, Lokoja, Kogi State. I'm an MLSA also. So this solution is like it's an household solution. It's a daily solution. It's a workplace solution. That's why I see it to be. It's assumed that a company has deficiency with ordering of their products, and we're asked to help them build an application that will ease the ordering processes. So this is a sales requisition application, and this is the home screen. This home screen will fade away after 5 seconds. After this home screen, we move to the request screen. Now this is the request screen. This request screen has two fronts. It has two faces. A face that will show the details of those that have requested for the products, and a face that will show the form to fill. And after the request screen, we now have the team lead screen. This application also I use PowerApps and SharePoint. So on the SharePoint, it's the back end that will keep record of all of the requests that has been made. So let's just showcase our demo. I will need us all to drop our names on the chat, so we know we are following, and we'll be using our names individually to make the request. Please let us drop our names on the chat if you are with me. So start with, just play it. After 5 seconds, this is going to fade away. You see it has faded away now. So let's start with Somelis. Let's say Somelis. And it's requesting for, let's say it's requesting for product sample, and it wants 5 quantity of product sample. Please confirm you can hear me.
Can?
Okay. So you want 5 product samples, and we have submitted. Now this is for Somelis. After which, if you want to, you first see this. If you want to input another request, you just go to this icon, you click on it. So this will be blank, and you have to start again. I see my friend on the call, Panshak Koboda. Let's just say Panshak. Sorry. Let's say Panshak. Let's say he wants little bags, and he wants 20 pieces of 20 quantity of the little bags. So we've submitted. Now task done. Let me just pick another person. Let me say Mfundo. I'm sorry, I might not be able to pronounce your name well, or probably spell it well. Let's say Mfundo. I don't know if this is correct. Now, Mfundo is asking for contact card, and she wants 2 of it. We've submitted for Mfundo. There's something I need us to know, that in this application, this sales requisition application, you can only ask for, by the time you are asking for sales rec, if you see the products we have available, there are 1, 2, 3, 4. By the time you're asking for retail bag, you can ask for unlimited numbers. By the time you're asking for product samples, you can ask for unlimited numbers. By the time you're asking for contact cards, you can ask for unlimited numbers, unlimited quantity. But by the time you're asking for sales rep, you can only ask for one sales rep. That's how I built this app to be. So let's say Pius asking for 1 sales rep. Okay, let's do it this way. Pius asking for 5 sales rep. You see it will flag me off now. If you can see this at the top, please select only one quantity for sales vehicle. You can just come back and say, okay, Pius is now asking for one sales vehicle. Submit. That's shown. Now we move to the team lead. This is the end. This is the end that is to show to anybody that is ordering for this application. But there's a place I want us to go to. It's the team lead screen. This team lead screen will show us everything we need to know about those that have ordered and every other thing. So let's just play this screen now. Let's play this screen. Let's see. Yes. Okay, let's see. Let's say we want to see everybody that has ordered for sales vehicle. So Pius has ordered for sales vehicle. So Pius ordered for, if you can see this part of it, Pius requisition item is sales vehicle 1. Somebody also ordered for sales vehicle. That was yesterday. He ordered for 1. David also ordered for sales vehicle. David ordered for 1. Let's go to product sample. So somebody ordered for product sample moments ago. If you remember, somebody ordered for 5 quantity of product sample. So somebody also said, I need the products. I need your products. I need sample of your products. And the person ordered for 10 quantity. Finally, we also go to, okay, yeah, before that, we go to contact card. Mufundo ordered for contact card, and she ordered for 2. We go to retail bag. Remember, Panshak ordered for retail bag, and he ordered for 20. Dakpo ordered for retail bag, he ordered for 20. New request ordered for retail bag, he ordered for 20. Okay, new request from South Africa also ordered, and the person ordered for 20. Now, by the time we want to see every of it, we can just come here, we click all. It's supposed to show us all. So we can just cancel this to show us everything that everybody has ordered for. If you remember, if you can see it now, see. So this is everything that I've ordered for, and this is it for PowerApps. Now, where are our records going to? Are they just ordering without keeping records? No, that's not the answer. So that's why we need SharePoint. Here you can see now all of what they have ordered for. Okay, let me just refresh it. Let me just refresh it and it will come up. Okay, so you see, I believe you can see this now. Somebody's ordered for sales vehicle, somebody's ordered for product sample, Panshak ordered for retail bag, Mufundo ordered for contact card, Pius ordered for sales vehicle. That's all I have for us. Thank you very much. I'll give room for questions and answer now, if there's any.